Your resume has an SAP certification on it, one that's valued at 15,000 to 25,000 INR rupees in the market. And that single certification is what gets you the interview call. Now imagine getting all of that without spending a single rupee. All you need is your university email address. This is an official gift from SAP itself, the world's largest enterprise software company for its students and professors. Very few people know about it, which is why so many end up paying institutes lakhs of rupees to learn something that was already available to them for free. So here's what this video gives you today. First, a clear understanding of what this program actually is and how you qualify. Second, a fast, smooth, verified 2026 process so your registration goes throughout without any hiccups. Third, one small tip that doubles the real world value of your certificate once you showcase it the right way. Let's get straight into it. What exactly is this? It's called SAP Learning Hub Student Edition, SAP's official free program that takes their paid Learning Hub subscription, roughly around 1.2 lakh INR plus GST a year in India, and makes it completely free for students and faculty. Here's what it includes: full access to SAP's entire course catalog, two free certification exam attempts with no strings attached, access to live expert led sessions, cloud based practice systems. Who qualifies? Eligibility is more open than most people assume. Any degree, any stream, be it engineering, commerce, computer applications, MBA, all of them work. First year or final year, either way, you are covered. You will need a valid university email address or a .edu domain or your college's own domain. Then a student ID card with a visible expiry date or a fee receipt usually works just as well. One helpful detail to know upfront: the subscription stays valid for 12 months, and as long as you are actively enrolled, you can renew it. Renewal opens 30 days before expiry. The smartest move is to plan your certification journey while you are still enrolled, so you get the full benefit of the program. Top three certifications to target in 2026 for commerce and MBA students: SAP S4HANA Finance Track covers modules like financial accounting and management accounting. Expected fresher package roughly around 6 to 9 LPA. For engineering or coding backgrounds, you can learn SAP ABAP, SAP HANA, or SAP Fiori. Companies increasingly want their own ERP systems, and technical consultants are in high demand. Expected fresher package roughly around 8 to 12 LPA. Want to explore which direction suits you best? SAP BTP, a business technology platform. This is SAP's playground for AI automation and integration, a skill set that only grows more valuable in coming years. Expected fresher package roughly around 6 to 8 LPA. So these figures are general industry estimates. Actual numbers vary by role, city, and company. Okay, so here is the step-by-step registration process for this for you to enroll. Go to SAP Learning. Registration page, enter your first name, last name, and university email, then hit continue. Set a password on the next screen and register. You will receive a confirmation email. Click the activation link inside it. A pop-up will confirm your account is activated and your learning portal homepage will open. Step 2. Verify your student or faculty status. Go back to the same link. This time you will see verify me instead of register. This verification runs through Sheer ID, the service SAP uses globally to confirm your education status. Fill in your date of birth, confirm your email, accept the terms and submit. Then upload a document, be it your student ID, class schedule, or a fee receipt in JPG, PNG, or PDF format. A quick tip that saves time: always upload something recent and clearly readable within the expiry date visible. That way, your verification goes through smoothly on the first attempt without needing extra rounds. Verification typically takes 24 to 72 hours. Step 3, create your SAP Universal ID. This becomes your actual identity within SAP's ecosystem. Your certificate will eventually be tied to this ID. Create it and link it to your student account. It's also worth adding a backup email so recovery is never an issue. Step 4, choose and complete a learning journey. On the learning portal, search for your target certification, say S4HANA Finance, and open the journey that specifically says or leads to certification. Some journeys are general learning content, so pick the one that leads to the certification track. Each journey has an estimated time commitment, some around 20 hours, others past 70 hours. Start at the beginner or intermediate level and build up from there. Step 5, schedule your exam. Once the journey is complete, the certification option unlocks. Apply your free voucher, pick an exam date. It is mostly conducted online, and take the exam. That's it. You now hold an industry recognized, genuinely paid value SAP certificate at zero cost. In 2026, a strong certificate paired with visibility goes much further than a certificate alone. Once you complete one, post about it on LinkedIn, share what you learned, and let recruiters and industry leaders see your progress. That combination, a real skill plus real visibility, is what tends to open doors this year. So that's the complete updated 2026 process for earning a free SAP certification. If this video helped, share it with a friend who's planning their next career move. A small share could open up a big opportunity for them. See you in the next one.